The time has finally come to take down the old cabinets. Funny thing is, somebody wants these cabinet doors. So I have to remove these cabinet doors and these cabinet doors. Somebody wants these cabinet doors who's a friend of the owner. And I said, you know, in a couple years, these cabinets are going to be the style again. It wouldn't surprise me. This is plywood. Plywood doors. Any guesses how long ago this was put on? These are all built in place. There's no backs to them. The back of the cabinets is the wall. And everything is hammered and nailed. Not even nail gun. Okay, one vintage GE undermount kitchen radio. Wonder what this will fetch on eBay. Now, because this is plaster walls, I'm not just going to grab these and yank them off. Even though every bit of it's going to get covered up, the ceiling and the walls, I just don't want to take out giant chunks and encourage the cracking that's already there. I always try to find dates on these old things. Made in Georgia. Don't find that anymore. is why I want a big shelf. It's all connected like a board. Wasn't too bad. Thing I did find was more cracking than I wanted to find on this wall, especially up in this area, because what they want is a big window here removed out of this wall. Normally I would just tear this wall down and maybe open it up completely. But there's a situation on the other side of this room that that won't allow for that. Because the plaster on that side of the ceiling has to stay. I may remove all the plaster from this side. That's a lot of demo. And stressing this wall, which is already a flimsy wall because it's got a pocket door. So there's no framing in here. Pocket door probably goes to around here. Yeah, there's a stud right there. That would have to come out and go to the next stud. Somewhere right around here. So when the cabinets come up to it, you'll get all this in the next video. I'm either going to attack this wall in the next video or replace this window in the next video. I haven't decided yet. Normally, I go to the most difficult and the most unknown thing, which is this wall here. A little bit of background information for those of you that are still around, and you could maybe help me answer the comments, because I know people skip out by the end of the video. This is an occupied house. They will be home to prepare dinner in this kitchen tonight. So I got to clean everything up. I wipe down the countertops with cleaner and everything, sweep everything up. That reason there dictates the order of operations. We're doing it in patchwork, the kitchen, to give them the least amount of downtime. This is very common. If you guys remember last winter, it was still this year, winter of, I don't know, 2019, I did a large remodel where there were other contractors involved, but I did about 80% of the work. And they were without a kitchen for months. It was kind of crazy. They even went through Christmas and New Year's and had guests come visit without a working kitchen. I couldn't believe it. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Ooh, some hidden bonus features. So I am on the opposite side of that pocket door, and this is why I have to be extremely gentle, is this cove ceiling. And this cove ceiling, it may not mean much to you guys, but around here, that's dollar signs. People buy houses just for that cove ceiling. And I can't mess it up. You got these cracks here. I can mess it up to about here. But other than that, I got to preserve it and be able to repair it. And this is actually going to be an archway here. Same with on that side there.